Today's video is brought to you by Squarespace, and we'll tell you a little bit more about them further on in the video. We have been using Squarespace for many years to build our online portfolio. It is extremely user-friendly if you're looking to build a website for yourself. They have a built-in commerce section if you are selling products online. You can manage orders, inventory, and set up your preferred payment methods with ease. Built-in analytics is also a great feature because it allows for you to target the right audience, whether you are selling a product or releasing content at a specific time for the best reach possible. Online is everything. You can reach a broad audience, and a website is one key key feature for any successful business. So get your work out there for others to see. If you are interested, you can visit squarespace.com/IFR. Try it out for free, and if you are happy, you can use code IFR to save 10% off of your first purchase. I'll leave that link down below in the description. Big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Hey guys, Corey here. What a year it's been to try and get this PC up and running. We've gone through so much hassle with this PC. We originally bought this case and then it got scammed from us. It was stolen from FedEx. And so we had to reorder a case and then that was not coming here for some reason. So then we got a refund. And then we had another one which someone from the US had, and they said that they would send it to us, and then for some strange reason, they just kept putting it on delay. They were saying that that FedEx had it and they really didn't. I was checking all of the updates and everything with the tracking. And then finally, we ordered the last one and it came in. Now, firstly, I want to say a big thank you to Rodimus. He helped me out a bunch in getting our PC case here. Without him, we wouldn't have had it because Amazon Australia didn't have it. So we actually had to order this directly from the US. And it costs a lot to get this case. Now this build is actually pretty much 1 year in the making. We started playing this exactly a year ago. Everything was held up just from this whole, scam and this whole situation, but this is my dream case, so I really wanted to get one of these and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So with the custom distro plates, we're actually making a river resin table, and I got the idea to put the resin inside of these because if you guys know the special effects coolant that you can get with all of the swirls in it, the pearlescent, I wanted that kind of effect in this PC, but I didn't want to actually put that liquid in here and have it clogged up because this is going to be my everyday driver. So what I did was I added the mica pearlescent gold powder inside of the custom distro plates that I made, and I let that set, and then we just put clear liquid inside for easy maintenance. Now inside of this system, I've got the Threadripper 3970X CPU. I mainly edit on this. I do play some games here and there, but editing is primarily what this rig is used for. Hence why we've got the Threadripper inside. We've got the GPUs, so we can use CUDA acceleration, and we've got a lot of storage in there. I've already got two 6TB hard drives, which are filled with videos and raw footage, so I need a lot of storage for all of that. Now, G.Skill kindly stepped up and they actually provided us with a second 64GB kit. So there's actually 128GB of the G.Skill Trident Z Royal RAM inside. Now, we actually didn't think that this would work with the Threadripper, but turns out it does. And so I'm happy with that because I like seeing all of the RAM slots populated rather than having an empty slot here and there. I think it looks a lot nicer, especially to complete this whole gold look. Now, there is a bit of an issue with this system, and it's going to require further testing and a part 2 to this video. One of the GPUs seems to be very faulty. When I go to launch 3D Mark, like TimeSpy Extreme, there's so much coil wind in one of these GPUs. Both the SLI and the individual GPU receive the same score, and it's basically half of what it should be. And I started getting major artifacting and tearing. So there's something wrong with this GPU, and I'm gonna have to swap them out for some other GPUs. Now, it's unfortunate because I did want to provide benchmarks for you guys, but it just wasn't possible with the type of numbers we were getting, because it wouldn't be realistic to this system's performance. And this is a very beefy system. In fact, the two 2080 Ti's, we could compare them against a single 3090. Now, the reason I did go with the two 2080 Ti's instead of a 30 series card is because I already had the two 2080 Ti's from previous systems. So I didn't want to go and fork out $3,000 or however much the 3090 is to put one in this system. There's no point me doing that when I have two 2080 Ti's sitting there, and I need to use my 3090 for all of the other builds for the channel. Anyway, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I just really want to give a big thank you to you guys who support us. We greatly appreciate it. If you did like this content and you stayed here and you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing and consider liking the video. And I'd love to hear your thoughts down below, whether you like this PC and if you want to see a part 2. As always, a big thank you to our sponsors. We have Seagate in here for the storage, and of course we do have G-Skill for the RAM there. Everything else we did by ourselves, and I'm so proud of this system. I just can't stop looking at it. I'm super happy about it, so I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.